Morning, dear friends and followers. Thank you very much to be so numerous to come and watch me. We're up to 1,900 followers now. I appreciate it. I'm so grateful, and I'm going to be able to do more good to help more people. For those who didn't meet me yet, I'm the author of The Science of Getting Loved by Yourself and Others. My name is Guy Laurando. And today I'm going to talk to you about the verb to love. You see, the verb, if I look on the Collins Dictionary, a verb is a word that expresses an action, event, or state. Okay, I am. You see, the verb to be always implies the verb, always conjugates with the verb to have, like having an existence, for example. So, if you don't have an existence, you don't exist. Right? Let's put it that way. Okay, what's the action? Action to love. It's a word of action directed in that sense. Okay, what do you love? You see, as explained today, yesterday on the other introduction, what you aim at is where you're going. So, it's like I told the kids, if you practice shooting the puck on the goalie, you're aiming at the goalie. So it's the same in life. If you're aiming at failure, you're going to get failure. That's because that's where you're going. You're going to fail. So why don't you just simply change your mind and invert it and going towards success? But what do you have to do? What do you have to gather around you? What you have to make available for you to develop your skills to make it better and better every day. And you know what? When you grow, when you improve yourself, every time that you finish that day that you felt that you improve yourself, you feel so good inside, and you love yourself more every day. You see, if you want to have, if you want to quit being miserable, you have to start being joyful. But how? What's on the other side? What does it imply? Can you trust yourself? This is what you have to learn by doing small exercises together. We'll play games together so that you can develop the skill of loving yourself a little bit more and feel joy seeing that your improvement that you're going to do every day. This is why the masterclass is going to last 90 days. Because a habit takes 21 days to be replaced, but then to be implanted, it has to take roots. You see, it has to ripen to maturity inside of you, so that you started to transmute to be something else that you would love better. You cannot change somebody unless you can change it for somebody else, but but yourself, you can transmute, say. You can transform yourself into something that you love better, and you do it a little bit more every day. And this is what the Mastermind 90 Days is going to help you doing. Take good care.